Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever looked at your house and thought, you know what this place needs? Less space and more chances of hitting my head on a ceiling beam. Well, today, we're diving into the world of tiny homes, and not just any tiny home. This one is so dreamy it makes a 5-star resort look like a gas station restroom. Meet the latest Canadian-built marvel, a tiny house that brings you closer to nature while still keeping your toes warm in the winter. Before we jump in, if you love vehicles, tiny homes, and a good laugh, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, your YouTube feed could use more of this brilliant. Now let's talk tiny. This 26 by 98 feet, 8 by 30 meters tiny house isn't just small. It's a masterpiece of efficiency. It packs 240 square feet, 22 square meters of pure comfort, wrapped in high-quality vinyl siding that comes with a 50-year warranty. Because, apparently, your house will outlive your mortgage, your dog, and possibly even you. It's got 2 patios. Yes, 2. Because why have one lovely outdoor space when you can double your chance of watching a raccoon steal your breakfast? The kitchen? Oh, it's a chef's dream. Full-size stainless steel fridge, built-in microwave, and an oven ready to burn your homemade bread. The best part? A breakfast bar that doubles as a guest table, work desk, or, if you're like me, a place to spill coffee 5 times a day. Now, the bedroom is where things get interesting. Unlike other tiny homes that make you climb a ladder like you're sneaking back into your dorm room, this one offers a luxurious main-floor bedroom with direct access to a private patio. Want to wake up to fresh air? Just open the glass doors and pretend you're in a nature documentary. Of course, living tiny doesn't mean living uncomfortably. This beauty is built to handle extreme weather with top-notch insulation and a mini split heater that also functions as an air conditioner. So what's the damage? This tiny slice of paradise starts at 165,000 Canadian dollars, and it takes about 3 to 4 months to build. That's less time than it takes for me to finish assembling an IKEA shelf. And the best part? It can be delivered anywhere in the US and Canada. Imagine that, a house that gets shipped to your door, just like an Amazon package, except it doesn't fit in your mailbox. If you're ready to downsize without giving up comfort, this is your dream home. Thanks for watching, and remember, size isn't everything, unless we're talking about legroom on an airplane.